Hello, my name is Doug Parks. I'm part owner of Roosevelt Tire Service. We've been in business since 1939. The customers that would come in and get to know each one of them on a personal basis to evaluate their needs, see what they needed, see what they wanted, and we were able to take care of them.
When our customers leave here, they feel completely satisfied because they know we treated them right with honesty, quality parts, and quality work on their vehicles.
They take care of all your needs and problems.
We do all your automotive servicing, including transmission services, power steering flushes, brake services, brake changes, tire changes, alignments, whatever you name it, we can do it. For good prices, quality auto care, come to Roosevelt. We're open 6 days a week.
I'd like to thank you for coming to Roosevelt Tire Service. We look forward to servicing your automotive needs.